Here are the headlines moving markets today. Charlotte's Web Holdings reported a net income of $3.2 million in its fourth quarter financial results ending on December 31st, 2018. Highlights of the fourth quarter include an organic consolidated revenue growth of 71% to $21.5 million from the fourth quarter of 2017. Gross profit increased 63% to $16.3 million, or 76% of consolidated revenue. Highlights of the 2018 full-year results include a reported net income of $11.8 million, up from $7.5 million from the same time period last year. Organic revenue growth of 74% to $69.5 million compared to 2017, and their gross profit increased 75% to $52.3 million, or 75% of consolidated revenue. For an in-depth breakdown of Charlotte Web's performance and its financial results, visit MidasLetter.com to see an article written by our lead writer, Benjamin A. Smith. Auxly Cannabis Group also reported its financials today, announcing a net loss of $66.98 million, or 14 cents per share, in its full year ending on December 31st, 2018. In 2019, the company expects to sell raw cannabis into the dry cannabis market and participate in the market for derivative products, with an increasing part of its business dedicated to derivative cannabis product development, manufacturing, and distribution as the industry evolves. The company expects, therefore, that material revenue generation will coincide with the legalization and regulatory approvals for derivative cannabis products and the company's sale of such products to the market. iAnthus Capital Holdings announced that its U.S. subsidiary has entered into a letter of intent to acquire CBD For Life, a national CBD brand in the U.S. CBD For Life is a producer of natural and luxurious CBD-infused pain management and beauty products, using 99% pure CBD extract derived from stems and stalks of industrial hemp. CBD For Life has experienced an increase in interest from mainstream retailers in the first quarter of 2019 following the passage of the Farm Bill. Emerald Health Therapeutics has fulfilled its first purchase order of cannabis from Yukon Liquor Corporation. The company also signed a sales agreement with Alberta Gaming Liquor and Cannabis and became officially registered by the Saskatchewan Liquor and Gaming Authority to supply cannabis to the Saskatchewan market. First shipments to Alberta and Saskatchewan are expected in April. Natura Naturals Inc., a wholly owned subsidiary of Tilray Inc. and High Park Holdings Limited, has received a standard processing license under the Cannabis Act. The Natura greenhouse facility, which previously held a standard cultivation license, will now be able to manufacture a wide range of cannabis form factors and cannabis starting material, including oil, pre-rolls, and novel formats such as topicals and edibles. Natura, which will operate under High Park Gardens Inc., was acquired by Tilray in February 2019 to serve the adult use and medical cannabis market in Canada alongside Tilray's existing operations. Evenco Incorporated announced that the remaining $4 million principal amount of senior unsecured convertible debentures of the initial $10 million principal amount of debentures issued by the company in June 2018 has now been converted into common shares of the company. A total of over 13 million common shares in the capital of the company have been issued to the holder of such debentures in accordance with the terms of the debentures. Pharmacello Limited announced that its Colombian subsidiary has received approval from the National Cultivar Registry for the listing of a further 10 strains. The additional registration of the new strains to the National Cultivar Registry, including a unique 1:1 THC to CBD ratio strain, doubles the number of approved strains Pharmacello holds in the registry. And that's your news for today.